Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Ice Age look and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. For this look, you can also use this look for ancient civilization theme, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, for the hairstyle or the hair, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it like this and put on the shirt. You're going to make it oversized and then you're going to make it this color, and then put on this fur hat and you're going to put on this pattern, and then this boots, make it the original color, and this item, make it this pattern, and then also this earphone and you're going to make it this color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this item. Okay, and then for the first selection, I'm going to apply this pattern. I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the second selection we're going to apply this pattern, and for the third selection as well. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this suit. For the first selection, I'm going to make it this color, and then for the second selection, I'm going to make it this one. For the third selection, I'm going to make it this color. This one. This is for the color code, and then for the last one, I'm going to make it black. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the next area, and then I'm going to put on this jeans, and for the color, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And this is how it looks. And then I'm going to go back. Sorry guys, I forgot something from here. I'm going to put on this jacket, and then I'm going to apply this pattern, and then we're going to combine it with this item and we're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room. Okay, and from here I'm going to go to the coat item, and then I'm going to put on this axe, and then I'm going to color it with this color for the first selection, and for the second selection make it this color, and I'm going to change the toggle, make it on shoulder. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to put on this, you can put on this ballerina skirt, and then you're going to choose toggle 2, and then I'm going to apply this pattern, this color, but I'm going to make it lighter. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this skirt, and for the skirt I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection until the third selection. Okay, now it's done guys. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.